So this video, I'm going to show you how I put both pieces together here. I'm just going to move some stuff. And you'll be able to see that once I bring these buildings up, I see all the lights sitting underneath. I'll be able to show you how I wired everything up. Oh, pretty good Leaf game going on. I made this building. Made that out of cardboard. Extra windows and doors from other buildings that I've built. Cardboard. Alright, so I made this pretty easy to do. One side, the connectors are connected right to the rail. The other side are not. So all I have to do is line up the back, and then I slide the connectors onto the other layout from this one. So to undo it, I just slide so I just slide these out, and there we go. Other side's done already. And yeah, I do have one plug in the bottom for the lights, so I'm just going to make sure to unplug that. And then look at the split, just like that. Separated. I'm just going to unhook my controllers here. Okay. Lights, one more. Whoops. That's what happens when you watch where you do. Alright, so damn. Just like that. Nice and light. Okay, so here we are. Here's the back of the Lego. That thing weighed, like, seriously, about 5 pounds, maybe 10 pounds. It's crazy. So yeah, what I did was I took a knife and just cut little caves in the styrofoam underneath where all my wires are going to run, so that it can be flush for a table or anything like that, and I just taped it up. Keep all the wires tucked away. Yeah, just cut little caverns, send the wires through, little connectors, Set them through the styrofoam. Oh, Ottawa scores. I'm not a Leafs fan, but anyways. So yeah, that's how I did that. Now I'll show you how I connected together. So here I've got 8 earth magnets embedded into the styrofoam with some Gorilla Glue to make sure they don't stay out. So we got the males in one side and female in the other side. Therefore, there's no separation, vibration or anything like that. Yeah, everything moved over one side. So yeah, that's how everything's going. That's how I was wired. This is all series connected, the lighting, so that one goes out and I'm not going to lose all my lighting. Really easy to do. I had a bunch of speaker wire left over and some speaker wire I found downstairs in the building I live in, so I had a bunch of it, and yeah, I was able to use it for lighting. So I'll show you exactly how I did the wiring when I wire up the street lights. I've got about 4 street lights to add to the layout, so yeah. I'll be doing that once I get the cardboard down and the town engineering. So yeah, that's how I connected it together and set the lights up overnight. Each layout is gonna have wires all tucked up. I have to do the little cut a cave in for this one as well. The lights. And yeah, I'm gonna keep plugging away and posting videos, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Adios.